Are you a homeowner or business owner with a rubber roof? Safeguard your property investment with a detailed inspection. Our seasoned professionals will undertake a comprehensive examination, including selective core cuts to analyze and determine moisture levels within the roofing system. We'll also identify the materials used on your roof and you evaluate their condition, along with a detailed inspection of pipe stacks, vents, and overall roof integrity. These inspections should ideally be conducted annually to prevent minor issues from snowballing into very, very, very expensive repairs. Remember, regular inspections are the key to maintaining a healthy roof. By scheduling an annual inspection with Total Restoration Services, you can catch potential problems early, extending the life of your roof and avoiding unexpected repairs. So don't delay. Schedule your thorough rubber roof inspection with Total Restoration Services today. Here is our contact information. And remember, all our inspections and consultations are at no cost to you. My name is Dan. Call me for all your total restoration and home project needs. 262-334-9110. We'll see you somewhere.